Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with Chief Ministers ends. Only 9 Chief Ministers spoke in the meeting. Chief Ministers briefed the Prime Minister on COVID situation in their states. Prime Minister Modi held a virtual meeting with all the Chief Ministers via video conference. However, Pinarayi Vijayan, the Kerala Chief Minister, and Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, did not attend the meeting. Prime Minister Modi's Chief Minister reviewed the situation over COVID-19. The Prime Minister sought Chief Minister's opinion on the lockdown extension. The meeting lasted for close to 3 hours. Let's go across to my colleague Adarsh, who joins us live from the newsroom with more inputs on it. Well, Adarsh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's crucial meeting with the Chief Ministers has come to an end. What are the key discussions, key issues that were discussed in the meeting?
Well, Neha, this is an all-important meeting between the Prime Minister and the Chief Ministers of various states. In fact, we cannot say all states because a few of them were missing. But yes, there have been representations nonetheless. So yes, we're talking about how one of them, Kerala Chief Minister, was not present. Nonetheless, Chief Secretary of the state was present for this meeting. But yes, only 9 of them eventually had points to make. And the consensus among the Chief Ministers were quite clear. And it was that the lockdown, in a sense, has helped the overall situation. The lockdown has helped in a sense that the country has been able to somehow soften the COVID-19 curve when it comes to the number of cases getting registered. That apart, there have been calls for the extension of the lockdown from May 3rd itself. Now, the existing lockdown is in place till the 3rd of May. So beyond that itself, there have been calls for the extension of the lockdown. While on the other hand, there have been a few other chief ministers who've in fact sought more relaxations when it comes to the green zones in their respective states. So there have been a few requests made by various chief ministers. So there is a little bit on the Prime Minister's table when it comes to how he goes ahead and responds to all of these mixed requests that the chief ministers have been making. Of course, this is not the first such meeting and will not be the last. The pandemic is here to continue at least for a while. So there will be more meetings between the Prime Minister and the chief ministers that will take place. And for any consensus, whether lockdown should be extended, whether there should be more relaxation in the green zones, it is only after more hectic parleys will the government really take a consensus. Now, we are also given to understand that Home Minister Amit Shah was part of this meeting, and so was the Health Minister Harshvardhan, and also the health officials, the most important health officials of the department were also present for this meeting that took place via video conferencing. Now, another report that is doing the rounds indicates that Prime Minister Modi has hinted that the existing lockdown has, in a sense, proved to be fruitful, and it has, in a sense, proved to be an advantage for India. And that apart, Home Minister Amit Shah has reportedly instructed all the chief ministers to ensure that the lockdown in their respective states is followed, is adhered to quite strictly. Now, we've seen in several cases, despite zones being in the red category, despite zones being in the containment zones, you still have people venturing out constantly and essentially flouting the lockdown norm that is in place. So the Union Home Minister is well aware of the ground situation. He's gone ahead and almost issued a diktat. That's what reports are claiming as to how the chief ministers have to, they're in fact the one-point source, and they have to ensure that the lockdown norms in their respective states are followed to the T. So these are the few things that were discussed about, a few suggestions made by the chief ministers, and a few instructions, in a sense, given by the Home Minister, with the Prime Minister himself observing that the lockdown has been fruitful. Back to you, Neha.
Thank you very much, Adarsh, for joining us with all of those details.